In this lesson, I'm going to demonstrate the techniques for evaluating regular expressions in JavaScript. There's two ways to evaluate a regular expression in JavaScript. One way is to create a regular expression object and use the functions that are part of the regular expression object class, or you can create just a regular string and then call some string functions that are set up to work with regular expressions. So let's look at both ways in one program. So I'm going to start by creating a HTML file that will just contain some JavaScript. So let me start off by creating the tags. We'll start out by creating a regular expression object. These objects are created by putting a pattern inside delimiters, and we'll use the slash delimiters just like we did previously in PHP. Next, we'll create a string that we can use to search within for the pattern. Then we'll use our first regular expression function, test. It will return true if the pattern is found inside the string, otherwise it'll return false. So what we'll do here is we'll just write out match found if the match is found, otherwise we'll just write match not found. So we'll save this and then execute it, and we get match found returned, as you see right there in the browser window. So now let's look at something else we can do with the regular expression object. We can call another function exec, exec, against the string and have the matches that are found, if any, returned to an array. So in this line, matches is an array that will contain the matches found when the regular expression is applied to our string object. So then we'll return those. We can't use print. And then we can just write out the array. And here I'm going to comment out these lines just so we only get one output. So we only see one line of output. So we'll save, and we'll just run this file again, and it shows that we found the pattern var exactly once, and that was the only instance that it actually did appear. Now the other way we can evaluate a regular expression is just with a string. So let me demonstrate that next, and I will comment everything else out here. So we'll do a /*/ comment, except we need our string, so let's copy that. We'll put it down here. The pattern that we're going to search for can also be placed in a string variable. So that's what I'm doing right there. Pattern string equal var. And then we're going to say, actually we need to redeclare that since I commented it out earlier. So if you take a look at this line, str is our string object. Match is a string function that takes a regular expression pattern as its argument, and it will return an array of the matches found in the target string. So we can use this line again, and I'll just copy it and paste it in to show our matches. So let's save that. We'll clear the screen, run our example again, and there are our matches. So that wraps up this lesson on using regular expressions with JavaScript. And of course, we'll see some more advanced examples later. Let's move on to our next language, C#.